So welcome to today's video. My name is Emmanuel Langat. Today we are going to learn about lathe machine. I want us to understand the basics and applications of lathe machine. Welcome. So the definition of a lathe machine. A lathe machine is just a very versatile tool used in machining operation to rotate a workpiece on its axis, enabling various cutting, drilling, facing, and turning operation. Are we getting it? It's a tool that is used to shape a metal to a form that you require. Welcome, my listener. So we dive into the parts of the lathe machine. As we observing a lathe machine in our picture today, the picture shows a lathe machine, and the parts of the lathe machine, I want to name you the parts. The first one is the bed. That is where the machine on which all the other parts are mounted. The bed. Headstock is the part that holds the spindle, gears, and control rotation. Tailstock supports the opposite end of the workpiece. Carriage moves along the length of the bed and holds the cutting tools. Chuck or the face plate. This one now secures the workpiece to the spindle. The tool post is the one that holds the cutting tools, enable adjustment. There is also the gross lights, which moves perpendicular to the spindle axis for facing operations. Apron contains mechanism for controlling the feed rate and direction. Now, my listener, as you have seen and you have heard these parts of the lathe machine, I want to leave you with an assignment. I want you to draw a lathe machine and name its parts. Welcome. So as we continue, I want us to know the types of lathe machines. The types of lathe machine, there is an engine lathe, which are basic type, and it is used for general purpose of machining. There is also a speed lathe, simplest form, ideal for small workpiece and high-speed operation. There is a turret lathe, features a turret tool post for efficient and rapid tool changes. There is also a CNC lathe controlled by a computer numerical control for precise automated machining. There is also a vertical lathe, workpiece rotate vertically, suitable for large and heavy components in this type of lathe machine. Those are the types of lathe machine that we have. There are many more types of lathe machine, but the normal one that we mainly use is the engine lathe. The working principle of a lathe machine. The workpiece is mounted on the spindle and rotate at a desired speed. Cutting tools are brought into contact with the workpiece to remove materials. The cutting tools may move longitudinally, radially, or both depending on the operation required on the lathe. So the applications. There are many applications of lathe machine. There is turning, which is creating cylindrical shapes by removing material from the workpiece. There is also facing, which is creating flat surfaces perpendicular to the axis of rotation. Flat surfaces at the edges. There is drilling, which makes holes in the workpiece. You can use a drill machine, but lathe machine can do that operation also. There is boring, which is enlarging existing holes and creating internal cylindrical shapes. There is tapering, which is creating tapered surface on a cylindrical workpiece. So, as we near the end, there is also safety precautions that we should observe while we are dealing with the lathe machines. You should ensure that you wear the appropriate personal protective equipment when you are operating, such as safety glasses, gloves. Also, you should familiarize with yourself with the machine controls and emergency stop mechanism. Another safety that you should ensure when you're working with a lathe is that your workpiece should be securely clamped to prevent it from dislodging during machining, to prevent any accident. And then also make sure that you never wear loose clothing jewelry that could get caught in the machine. I want us to deal with the maintenance of the lathe machine. In the maintenance of lathe machine, make sure that you regularly clean the machine to remove chips, dirt and debris. Replicate moving parts according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Check adjusting alignment of components to ensure precision in machining. Inspect and replace worn out or damaged parts promptly to prevent breakdowns. The advantages of lathe machine is that it has versatility. This is the capability of performing various machining operations on different types of materials. There is also precision, enable precise control over dimensions and surface finish. Efficiency reduces manual labor and produces time for machining operations. Flexibility can be adapted for custom machining tasks with different cutting tools and setups. So we continue. The last slide is now the conclusion of today's topic. As we conclude, my listener, I know we have talked a lot. Lathe machines are essential tools in manufacturing and machining industries. Understanding their components' working principle and safety measures is crucial for efficient and safe operations, as we have talked about. So with proper maintenance and care, lathe machines can provide reliable performance and contribute to the production of high quality components. Thank you for listening to me. I am Emmanuel once again, and let's meet next time. You can comment on the comment section which type of lathe machine you like, or what you want us to discuss more about the lathe machine on the comment section. Thank you.